how to add SKU to your products in Shopify store. So SKU is a unique alphanumeric code assigned by retailers to products to track inventory internally. So it will identify specific products variation like size, color, or style. So it will make the stock management accurate, and you can do the sales analysis. It's gonna be very easy and simple steps. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the dashboard you can go to your products here, and then this is your all your products. So you can go to inventory here, and you will find all your inventory. So in this case I have three inventories, and two of them already have SKU. So I'm gonna add this one. You can just click on it, and then this is your products description and details. Now you can scroll down until you find this one in the inventory SKU. You can click on it, and now you can add the SKU. So let's say I want to make like BC, like maybe BC 1000, just like that, and then just click save. And let's go back to the inventory. And as you can see, now this product has a SKU. So let's say you have, a lot of products and you want to add all of them. So you can just select all like this, and it will select it all of your inventories. And then you can go to bulk edit here, you can click on it, and then it will brings you to the bulk edit page. Now you can just, add or customize it one by one, just like that. And then you can maybe change it, it's up to you. So it will make easier for you. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.